Are you tired of feeling stuck with your online business? Tired of not knowing what the next step is? Well, you've come to the right place. Here is the answer to your problem: ClickFunnels. Through this funnel builder, you can transform your business. Learn through a free course how you can use ClickFunnels to expand your business, grow your brand, and increase sales. Through ClickFunnels, we managed to grow a passive income of $100,000 a month. You no longer have to be this guy. You can be this guy. All it takes is to fill out the form, gain access to the free course, and sign up for the ClickFunnels free trial today. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So what are you waiting for? Click the link and get started now.